Hey, you're still up? Yeah? What's up? I can't stop thinking about what can happen. So we need a plan. You mean like a battle plan? Not necessarily. I'm only 50 pages away. I'll finish reading in the morning. Let's go talk. So let me get this straight. At basically midnight, you want to go out there where all the monsters are, just us two, and try to save your brother right now? Yeah. Then we get Fizzy and Freedom, and then we get out of here together. But what about Tao? We don't know the code for him. That doesn't mean we could just give up on him. No. Look, I get it. You want to save your brother, okay? I do too, okay? But we don't even know if Freedom's sword is the actual key here. What if Tahoe has a sword and his is the one that opens it up? Well, I don't know for sure, but I just want to test it out. Test it out. Bro, it's midnight right now. Literally midnight. That doesn't mean I don't want to try. Look, okay? I don't blame you. I really don't, okay? But seriously, everything's crashing down here. And stuff is getting serious. Okay? Like, actually serious. But I know we're supposed to stop. I know we're supposed to shut this place down, but after what's happened, isn't it just a possibility that we just can't? What about the Thrasher? Okay, what about him? We're just gonna leave him to hunt all of these monsters? Well, kind of, yeah. That's a stupid idea. The Thrasher's not gonna let us leave if we have Freedom with us. So we abandon her. Did you say let's just abandon her? Well, yeah. If we can't leave with her on our hands, then let's just abandon her. Look. She's the one keeping us alive, okay? Without us, you'd be dead. Okay, you would. You even got scared when we first got here. Yeah, I get that. But then what? So, say we do capture the Thrasher and we end up fighting him. Do we try and kill him? Of course we do. It's only common sense. Dude, it's not that I don't trust Freedom. It's just... When we first saw her, I had a weird feeling about her. And I did too. Okay? But she took us in. She helped us. And now she's gonna help us get your brother. And it's basically like we help her, she helps us. If we help her kill the Thrasher, she helps us get your brother. Look, okay, even if Freedom Sword is the key to that place, there's still probably monsters there. You never know the possibilities. So we could try and save him when it's daytime out. when the others are awake. When we're actually protected. I guess you're right. Okay. Well, so what do we think's the plan here? Well, what I think the plan is we get all 4 puzzle pieces, then we find out what the key to the chambers are, then we go save your brother, then we kill the Thrasher, and then we all go home happily ever after. Right? It sounds nice, doesn't it? We get to leave with freedom, and we can save Tahoe as well. You know what? You're right. You're right. Yeah. But what about shutting it down? I can hack into it. I graduated from a literal tech college. Okay, so that's the plan? I mean, it seems like it. It's the only one with actual common sense. You were literally just going on about abandoning freedom, taking her sword, and saving your brother. Like, that's just kind of stupid, not gonna lie. And I don't mean to be mean, okay? I just feel like that people need time to think into plans. You probably just came up with that when we got back from the second puzzle piece because you were scared. Yeah, you're probably right. Alright. Let's just sleep. Okay. Hey, what's happening here? Huh? Oh, hey, Fizzy. What are you guys doing awake at midnight? Shouldn't you guys be getting sleep? He was up reading Harry Potter. I just woke up and wanted to talk to him. Alright. But guys, just get some rest, okay? It's basically midnight. That's what I told him when he came over to talk to me. Yeah. So, just go to bed. Get sleep, okay? Wake up happy. Okay. I'm going back to bed. I'm tired. Night, guys. Night. Yeah, me too. Alright. Night. Night. Ow. Oh, God, dude. What has happened last night? My head hurts so much. It's finally daytime out. Thank you, guys.
What's going on?
Okay. Well, now that we're all awake, freedom. What are we doing today? Getting the third puzzle piece?
Yeah.
But how?
We have to go to block C9 to play a game. Then, same as before, if we win, we get the piece.
Oh, and if we fail?
If not, then we don't.
And then say we win.
I just told you.
Well, it sounds easy enough to me. Yeah, very easy. It's basically just like those Simon toys I used to play with. You know those things where it like gives you a random color combination and you have to like press the buttons? Oh, yeah. Yeah. He gets it. Well, I really want to save. I really want to save Blue Yoshi, and I want to save Tahoe. Yeah, me too. You hear that, Red Yoshi? Yup. Right, good. So, should we get out of here?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Wow. I'm okay. Just a bit tired. Now let's go. Come on. Oh, God, dude, I'm tired. Why are we out this early? Why were you up that late? I don't know. Alright. We're here. Block C9, right? Okay, then this should be it. Hello. Oh no. Another one? My name is Stella Table. Like a 4-leg table? Today, you will be playing a game with Brewster McChicken. Brewster. I like it. You start on this pink block after the step. And Brewster starts on the white block directly across from you. You have to move to that colored block without getting caught by Brewster. So it's a strategy game. You can only move one block, however, Brewster can move 2. So be sure to be careful. Well, that malfunctioned.
Broke down.
Someone's gonna have to renew those voices. It's abandoned. Nobody's even here anymore. Except the experiments and the experimenters. Yeah, you're right, my bad. Only one person can move at a time. What'd you say? Only one person can play at a time. If you lose, Brewster will throw you off into the pit. Oh, the pit? Come on. Make sure that dear old Rexy doesn't get you down there.
Oh no.
Okay, so, who's playing first? I guess I will. You ready, old Brewster? Game initiation starts in 3, 2, 1. Will everyone please move to a white block? White block. This is the only one that's 1 block away from me. Dude. Why'd he move away? Isn't his job to catch me? The closest white block to you is only 1 block away from him. He has to move 2. I get it now. Will everyone please move to a pink block? A pink? Okay. So, that's a pink block. But I could also go back there. If I go there, then Brewster could go, Then he caught me. If I go here, then Bruce could go, Then he caught me. Oh no. Guys, I think I'm screwed. Wait. Oh my. Dude. So just move to either one. He's gonna catch you either way. Okay. Oh no. No. Please, Brewster. Oh no, I'm back in the cellar. Guys, I'm back in the cellar. The pit drops down to the cellar? Oh, God, that's a pretty far drop.
You could say that again.
Okay, I'll go next then. Okay. So the job is to trap him. Okay, let me view out the playing area. So, the only blocks he can move to right now are white and pink. So if he's asked to move to brown, I should be safe. Everyone move to a pink block. It's not going to be that easy. Huh? Okay. So if we get white, I have to move to there because that pink's there, and he'll get to me. But if we're asked to move to pink, I can move here, and he'd still get to me. I've cornered myself. Please move to a pink square. Oh no. No. You're a nice chicken. Nice chicken. Wow. 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 Oh wait, we really are in the cellar. Oh. Yeah. But this pit's locked up. And they said... They said something about dear old Rexy. Dude, take cover, okay? A dinosaur. Oh, well, I'm pretty sure it's a dinosaur. The name's Rexy and like a T-Rex. So, take cover. Because that dinosaur is gonna come down here any minute. Dude. You want me to go next, or do you want to go next?
I'll go. Take this!
Oh, wait, no. I got you.
Uh-huh.
Wait, what? Oh my god. Hey, watch where you throw your sword. Hey, we could use this. Huh? Oh yeah, we could. Game initiation in 5, 4... Oh no, we have to act like one player. 2, 1. Everyone move to a white square. Wait, it's changing up? Everyone move to a white square. Wait. Oh, no. Freedom! White square, huh? Well then, I'm already on a white square. Game over. Yeah. Yeah, you want to see a piece of me, you stupid chicken? Daffy, come down here. Huh? Yeah. Daffy? Yeah? I got the puzzle piece. Wow! Oh, okay, thanks. Okay. How this dinosaur, Rexy. Oh, guys, it's Rexy. Huh. Oh, stay back. Go! Huh? Oh. Ah! There you go, freedom. Alright, let's go. Okay.
Wait for me!
It's right here. Race you there, Red Roshi. Haha. Okay, time for the third one. Wait, where is it? Did you drop it on the way here?
What if somebody took it?
Well, you're lucky that I grabbed it then. Huh? It fell out of your pocket. Oh. Thank you so much, Daffy. Yeah, no problem. But a monster could have grabbed it and hid it somewhere else. Here. Thanks. Well, it doesn't give us really any much more. All we have on this piece is the border. Last piece gonna reveal it all. Yeah. I'm tired. Me too.
This couldn't get any worse.